Hi everybody, this is Tisha Copeland and you are working on block 1 of our Sunday sampler, and I thought you might need a reminder on how to use this awesome Bloc Loc ruler to get those half square triangles made. So let me show you and remind you how to do this. First off, you're going to get your 2 pieces of fabric and you're going to pin them together, right sides together, okay? So right sides together, you're going to pin them one on top of another. Then you're going to take your little measuring 1/4 inch ruler, which is this one right here if you remember it, okay? And you're going to measure, you're going to place it right here where this point, this center line right there, matches up to the corner of your fabric. Got it? And this center line right here matches up to the corner of the fabric. Then you take your pencil and you draw a line on both sides of this ruler. Sounding familiar? Okay. So both sides of the ruler, this way, and now I'm doing it left-handed, this way. Got it. After you've done that, you're going to sew right on the lines that you drew. Okay? Sew straight on the lines that you drew. After you've done that, you're going to cut it right down the middle, right here. Cut it with your rotary cutter, and you're going to end up with 2 half square triangles. Okay? They're going to look just like this. 2 half square triangles. No, they're going to look like this. They should be the same size. I'm not sure why that one's not the same size. You're going to end up with 2 half square triangles just like this. Okay? Now, this is where we go to square them up. I'm going to show you how to do it because I want to get this one to a 4 by 4 inch size. So if you remember, the side that the seam is ironed on, we call that the bump. That's got the bump on that side. I'm going to take my words right here that say Bloc Loc. I know it's backwards to you because I've got the camera on reverse, but I'm going to put that right on the seam that does not have the bump. So there is no bump right here. The bump is on this side. The words go against the bump. They don't go on the bump. And where I am right here, I've got a 4 inch mark and a 4 inch mark right there. And I want to square this up to 4 inches. So I'm going to pull my ruler over, put it right against that center seam. That's what that middle piece is, that little groove in the ruler. And I'm going to scoot down to where I still have some room on my 4 inches right here. Here's my 4 inch mark, and I still have some fabric hanging out on the edge because I'm going to trim off when I get over here. And I've got some fabric hanging off here. So I'm going to just take that and I'm going to go ahead and trim that. Now, you don't want to move your ruler. It's right against that line right there, that seam, and that's what's going to keep you straight. So I've cut off one side. What I'm going to do now is just take this, move my fingers right over on this, turn it around, okay? Now I'm going to slide this back over. You with me? So now I've got the 4 inches right here. Here's the 4 inches. Here's the 4 inches right here. And I put the edge of my fabric right up on that so that now I leave this inch, this side, to be trimmed off. So now I've got a perfect 4 inch half square triangle, and I don't have to work with trying to get it straightened out or anything. It's going to match all my other ones. It's really easy to do. I hope you're able to use this to get that block made. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.